Welcome to number 13. Yes, we're holding at number 13, and today we're going to discuss the number 3 of the manage element of the ALM Passive Income model, which stands for attract, leverage, and manage. And the third element of the manage is oversight. Yes, it's passive income, but you're still going to need some oversight. So the question is, how much oversight do you need? And as we discussed in previous days, you don't need a lot of oversight, but you need some oversight in order for the managers, in order for the people that you work with, that they should know that you're on top of your game. You want to know what's going on. You want to understand what's going on. And you're not just passive for the sake of being passive. They should almost think that you're active. How do you do such a thing? How can you have oversight? You're busy with your business. You're busy with your employment. And the solution to that is to hire somebody to have the oversight for you, the quality control for you. Nowadays, it's so easy to hire people from overseas. And sometimes it's not so expensive. It could be much more affordable than hiring somebody locally. Hire somebody that can help you with the oversight. Take somebody who knows Excel well. Take somebody who knows QuickBooks well, somebody who knows software well. They should take all the information that you need to get and compare it to what you actually got, all your proposed promises to what actually happened. And then you understand what's going on. And then you can go back to the managers and ask, I see a discrepancy here. Maybe I got more than I need to get, or maybe I got less than I need to get, but I want to understand what's going on. And even if they didn't make any mistake, which hopefully it's going to turn out to be exactly as you want it to be, as you were promised, but at least they're going to see that you're on top of your game. They're going to see that you're not a person that they want to start with. They're going to see that you're a person that you want to have an exact calculation of everything, and they should make sure everything is down to the penny as it was promised or as it was projected. And it's not something that is just going to slip by because you want to understand. Thank you for being with me on this passive income journey. Looking forward for your passive income success.